Hi guys, I'm Ray.
And I'm Dad.
And today we are at Spirit Halloween.
Yay, which is an old Toys R Us store.
Yeah, it was Toys R Us for a long time and then it closed down and now it's Spirit Halloween.
Does that make it creepier?
Maybe it's haunted by all the creepy toys they had in there.
Maybe.
I just fell.
So we're staying on a curb here balancing.
Yeah.
So with that,
Make it to enjoy. Okay, so people may be wondering why we're going to Spirit Halloween in September, but my motto is, it is not too early for Halloween. It never is.
and that's right, and I've got my Bucky's Halloween shirt on.
I'm just wearing black.
And Ray's in her all black today.
Yeah.
So we are already Labor Day weekend and we're ready for Halloween already. So here we go. Let's go check out Spirit Halloween store. Ah! Okay, no, I wasn't scared. Oh, look at this. It's gigantic. One of the cool things about Spirit is it's like it's a free haunted house. So you can come here, look for your costumes, look for your stuff, but they also have these displays that you can go through and walk through like little mini haunted houses, and it's totally free. All right, so Ray won't hit this one, so I'm going to. Oh.
You look like a natural for our freak show. If you need a job, I'll introduce you to the boss, but all applicants must be dead. That's not a problem, is it?
Oh, that's just too creepy.
I'm scared of clowns, so that is just no.
That's creepy. That's awesome. Queen Factory. All right. You want me to go?
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
Ray's going to hold the camera and I'm going to try to set things off here. Maybe? Not cool. All right, here we go. Next one.
Okay. This one, I saw it earlier and I think this is like the coolest one.
That one is pretty cool. Okay,
Here goes Dad.
the chains. Oh,
Ah, chains are hitting me.
it makes noise as you walk through here. Oh.
Oh, watch out.
Ah.
Get it.
If that was in somebody's front yard, Ray, I don't think I'd trick or treat there. What do you
Oh,
think?
I totally would.
You would trick or treat there?
Yeah, that looks
That
cool.
thing's creepy. It's like a little haunted house here. This is awesome. Okay, here we go. Okay, Ray, you ready? Stand right next to that one. I'm gonna press it. I want to see your reaction. You ready? Okay, go get some candy. Oh.
That is cool.
What's that, Ray?
I totally want to put that in her yard.
How about this one?
Time for a trick. Remember this car. It'll be the last thing.
Oh!
That is cool.
I'm scared in here, Ray. So Ray, I wonder if all the Spirit Halloweens are all the exact same. What do you think?
I don't know, we might need to check out another one and see.
We need to check out another. Oh, here's another scary section coming up. That's creepy. What are they doing there, Ray?
Yeah, that's cool.
This is awesome. Oh, that's very creepy. Safety starts here. This factory has worked 0 days without an injury.
Your soul will be mine.
Are you scared by this? This creeps me out.
This is cool.
Ray is totally calm right now. She's like, and Dad's like, Okay, this one's,
thank you.
yeah, here we go. Here, I finally found the one that's going to scare Ray. Ray informed me that we missed some up here in the entry, so we're going to go up there and go check out some of those. They go in one way. Watch, they come through the conveyor and they come out pumpkin faces. That's awesome. How cool is that? That's cool. Oh, I don't know about that one, kiddo. What are you thinking? Oh, I think that would definitely scare some trick-or-treaters away. Maybe we can keep our own candy that way. No? To explore. We haven't even gotten to the costumes. We're having too much fun with like the built-in like haunted house aspects or scary house aspects. Ooh, this one's creepy. You want to go take the lollipop, Ray? Why don't you go get the lollipop? I think you want that lollipop. Go for it, Ray. Look, Happy Halloween. Ray, are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? The greatest costume of all time. Wait for it. Inflatable chicken.
That's totally something he would dress as for Halloween.
Dad has found his costume. And look who the employees in the month are. Crypt Keeper. And Pumpkin Nester. And
then the last employee of the month is Grotesque Creature. So, we found some Nightmare Before Christmas stuff, and one thing to know about us, we love Nightmare Before Christmas.
we could be a lock, shock, and barrel. That's pretty cool. Ray, whatever you do, don't say the name 3 times. Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice. Well, hi. We got Pennywise, Michael Myers. Ooh, from It. We all float down here. Killer Clowns from Outer Space. I can't get Mom to watch it. She watches about 2 minutes of it and she's done because clowns are her least favorite thing. Let's see, I'm digging the steampunk look. Oh, that's cute. You could totally be steampunk. Okay, we found something Ray thought was cool.
I really like that Mardi Gras mask.
Should we pick up a mask for next year for Mardi Gras or for Yardi Gras if we do it again? That'd be perfect, actually.
Yeah.
We should grab it. It's never too early to get prepared for Mardi Gras either. Hi, what's your name?
Say hi, Xerxes. Say hi.
Hi. He's like, what are they doing? They're filming me. You see all kinds of things in Spirit Halloween. This is awesome. How old's your macaw?
He's 3.
He's 3. Oh, that is awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, beautiful. So if you just need a quick costume, you can always come here and just grab, I don't know, an avocado hat. Or, I want to be a cacti. Or a flamingo. Or a pineapple. Dun, dun, dun. You want to get one of those? Those are creepy. I like this. Oh, these are all kind of creepy. Whoa, there's this guy again. Oh, Ray found creepy clown kids. Oh, I don't like scary kids. That's like the creepiest thing to me. Like any scary kid thing, like scary movies, like horror movies that have creepy kids, I just, it gives me the willies.
This is cool.
That is a cool dress.
It's a broken doll.
It's another broken doll. Broken doll is gonna be a dead cheerleader, zombie bride, enchanted ghost. They have all kinds of. Oh, and look, then we get to the cute ones. I'm gonna go over here to the cute ones and not scary ones because.
I like the dark angel.
Oh, the Dark Angel's cool, and so is the Fallen Angel and the Gothic. Wow, they have all kinds of. They have some pretty intense costumes for kids now. I was like, I don't know, let me be Charlie Brown with a bed sheet with a bunch of holes in it, or let me be a Dracula. And for the real little tykes, the infants and toddlers, they have a whole bunch of cute different costumes too. So if you're just looking for a quick costume for the kiddos, they have a bunch of cute ones. Oh, I want to be a dino. That's cute. Oh, I love it. All right, Ray. So something that's interesting, Ray, is I'm surprised they don't have more Owl House stuff because we love Owl House. And with all the witch stuff here, that would be kind of cool, huh?
We need this.
Goodbye, cruel world.
Oh, wait. Yes, I need this.
Oh, look, another glorious morning makes me sick. Oh, yeah, we got to get that. Go ahead and grab it. Mom's going to love that, too. So grab that one, Ray. So there we go. That's going to be our new doormat for Halloween. They have the Christmas wreath from Nightmare Before Christmas. I've never seen that before.
We need to get that wreath.
That one's awesome, too. Ray wants to buy everything here. And they have a whole section on Haunted Mansion for those folks who love Disney as much as we do. Oh, that's fun. And look at all the cool stuff they have for Nightmare Before Christmas. I love this hanging sign, Welcome to Halloween Town, where everything's at. That's neat, and all the little decorations. And oh, look at this. Oh, I could decorate our whole house in Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. Oh, look, it's Welcome Foolish Mortals. Okay, press it. It says try me. Press it. What does it do?
It just lights up.
Oh, it just lights up. Oh, right. Oh, look at it. Oh, look, and it's 1313. We went and visited 1313 Mockingbird Lane, and we can post that. I have a thing going on here that Spirit Halloween stores donate. In this case, they're donating to Texas Children's Hospital and what they call Spirit of Children. If you donate, you can get a wristband. I think they even ring a cowbell for you, and you get to put your name on a little sticker here. So we suggest anybody comes here, and if you can, donate to this great cause. Here we go. Yay. We got a ghost bell. More cowbell.
So that was really cool. If you couldn't tell, Halloween is our favorite holiday, so we're super excited. Once again, like I said earlier, it is not too early for Halloween.
It's never too early for Halloween in our household, I think.
Yeah.
Really. So we'll extend it even to Christmas so we can do the Nightmare Before Christmas stuff.
Yeah.
So Spirit Halloween Store is a lot of fun. It's a place to come if you just want to have like a free kind of mini haunted house, if you will, and check out some of the costumes. It's a great place to come get your accessories as well. We picked up a couple of things, decorations for the house. So I'm super excited about the Sanders Sisters doormat. Mom's going to be very excited about that.
So make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. And once you subscribe, press the bell for notifications so you know when we upload a new video. And most of all, enjoy.